yeah, I mean, do you guys have any?
So is it only about IG or Twitter also?
Yeah, Twitter, sure, we can do.
Okay, so what kind of things do you do to improve the conversions on Twitter? So bottom and middle of funnel stuff, or general specific stuff for Twitter because there are more options?
Are you more like building a personal brand on there? You just go kind of like the spammy approach of just like blasting on comments?
I'm doing like face swapping and then like not commenting, just doing normal posting with pictures of the face.
That's true.
So only top of the bottom stuff basically.
Basically the same principle applies as on IG conversion, like before making like a purchase decision or like the effort of clicking the link, going through whatever, it's annoying for the sub, right? They need to answer the question, okay, who is she? How does she look? Why should I subscribe now? On IG, we do that like mainly through stories or like top of funnel, middle of funnel stuff. Your Twitter just needs to be set up in the same way. Like how often do you post a CTA or like a link? Or don't you do it?
Like in the comments under every post.
Ah, okay. I'm not gonna say if it's stopped, but I would test out for the next week, not posting it in the comments because that's like, if people subscribe to that, they're gonna do it anyway. But have you seen me talk about IG stories at length?
Not at length.
Yeah, but what we do on IG stories, which I will do on Twitter as well, which for us works super great, is we have, let's say, from 6 stories a day, which would be like your normal Twitter day, how often you post, right? Like 4 or 5 are just your normal everyday thing, like her opinions, her looks, her daily life, whatever funny shit on Twitter, the autistic humor. And then once in the evening, we just drop like an attractive picture, say, oh my God, I had this topless, it was removed from Twitter 3 times. I'm just gonna drop it on my OF like for the next 24 hours. You know, like urgency and value instantly. And just, instead of just spamming the link under every post, have 1 conversion event per day as a tweet, but really put more effort into it. Like give them a value-based outcome. Like, yo, like here, this is a picture of my cosplay. Just recorded a 30-minute video on this, but it's only gonna be online for 10 hours. So like click the link. I'd argue you get more conversion with less posting on that.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And you can be super creative with that. Like, does she have a specific niche?
Not on Twitter, it's just face swapping. So
fair enough. Yeah. Otherwise, you can even include the niche, but that's what we always do.
Yeah, okay.
You can also let people vote, like what do you want to see next? Like Spider-Man video, like this dildo, this, and then you post the votings and be like, all right, it's online now, but only for a day. Like you can do all kinds of crazy
Or like all like basic talking videos that are...
No, like let them vote for what type of sexual content you should post on the web. Don't say it, but like you can just give them like a value-based outcome. Don't just say, here's my web. Say, okay, you're gonna see this if you subscribe for the next 24 hours and do it like gamify it a bit.
Okay.
That makes sense. Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
Easy.
Do you have any questions?